Just when you thought you'd seen it all, Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is stirring up excitement with some jaw-dropping rumors. Will the new flagship redefine mobile technology, or is it just more of the same? Get ready to dive into the latest leaks on the S25 Ultra's cameras, screen size, and performance upgrades, including a major shift away from Exynos chips. From satellite connectivity to potential price hikes, we've got all the details you need to know about Samsung's next big thing. Stay tuned to find out if the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be worth the wait. First up, let's start with the camera leaks. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus are set to keep the same 50-megapixel main and 12-megapixel front cameras as their predecessors. This might disappoint those hoping for a big camera upgrade. However, rumors suggest the S25 Ultra could see improvements in its telephoto and ultra-wide sensors, potentially upgrading them to 50 megapixel each while retaining its 200 megapixel main camera. Whether the regular S25 lineup will see similar upgrades is still uncertain. Rumors suggest that the S25 series might see increases in screen size, with the base model potentially growing to 6.36 inches and the Ultra to around 6.9 inches. This shift suggests a trend towards larger displays for a more immersive experience. On the camera front, there are mixed rumors. A new 1-inch sensor with small pixels and dual-pixel autofocus might debut. Now, for some potentially good news, Samsung might be dropping Exynos chips for the Galaxy S25 lineup entirely. Instead, Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 could power all S25 variants globally. This shift is due to production issues with the Exynos 2500 chip. Snapdragon chips have generally performed better in terms of speed, efficiency, and heat management. However, there's a catch. Kuo hints that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 might be significantly more expensive, possibly leading to a 25 to 30% price increase. This could mean higher prices for the S25 series, with the S25 Ultra potentially approaching $1,400. Memory is expected to remain at 8GB RAM, though storage will likely benefit from faster UFS 4.0 or UFS 5 technology. There are no updates on pricing yet, but recent trends suggest a possible increase. On the battery front, the S25 is expected to keep the same 4000 mAh battery as before, and the S25 Ultra might stick with a 5000 mAh battery. While there might not be a capacity increase, Samsung could use its Galaxy AI technology to boost battery life by up to 10% through software optimization. If this pans out, it would be a significant enhancement, though it's still a rumor. The Galaxy S25 is rumored to launch with One UI 7 and Android 15, incorporating advanced Galaxy AI features. These features are expected to enhance user experience with capabilities like instant slow-mo, generative edit, and voice recorder summaries. This latest leak about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series has tech enthusiasts buzzing. Samsung's new flagship phones, including the S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, are expected to feature satellite connectivity, a capability previously anticipated for the Galaxy S24 but missing from its launch. Code discovered in Samsung apps hints at features like sending text messages and making emergency calls via satellite, even when out of range of a mobile network. This development puts Samsung in line with competitors like Apple and Google, who are already incorporating satellite features into their devices. Apple's iOS includes satellite emergency calling, and Google's Android 15 will support satellite connectivity for messaging. With years of development and Google's backing, Samsung's Galaxy S25 series is poised to offer significant advancements in mobile technology. Thanks for watching till the end, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more updates.